Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a secret display box. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For this box, it's about like a 31.5 inches in the length and 10.5 inches in the depth. And the overall height, they are about like a 24 inches tall. For these units, we're coming with a 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. And for each layers, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 12 racks on each of the shelvings. For each of the racks, they can handle about like $11 of the stickers. So this is all the display information right here. And we're also having the accessories coming from the units. You can write down the name tags and the price and the other accessories, and these barcode holders. This is all information about the products. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.